All right, when it comes down to traditional food, the Hex is going to do it. Now, this is something I wish I could transfer to my kids, and you know, normally you can. These are durable. They're going to last for a long time. In fact, some of the tradition, their cooking tradition, is going to be passed on to these pans and so forth. So today we're going to make traditional Mexican rice. And if you notice, it's in its time already. We've been using this for quite a while. Very durable, easy to use, nothing sticks to it. So let's put it to use. Okay, I can step away. You can cook it. Don't worry about it. Just do however you do it, right?
Okay.
Twenty minutes later.
It's right there. It's behind on the middle section of the door.
There's more. But you know what is good?
What?
Anybody want sausages?
I'll do.